Hi my loves, so guess what? Wakanda Forever made me do this. I was so inspired by Shuri when I watched Wakanda Forever the first time, so I decided to recreate Shuri's hairstyle and her outfit, and that's why I am doing this. That's what led me to doing this. So I'm just using normal regular braids to do my braids. I did the rest of my hair and I'm just showing you the front part so that you know how I did this hair, since this is a beauty channel. So I'm gonna show you, and then I will show you how I styled Shuri's hairstyle from the Wakanda Forever one. So I am just gonna do it. So I put my braids like that in three portions, like two portion which comes as three. So I'm attaching it and I'm just rolling it one side like that, and then I take the other one, I just wrap it, just the base, just to grip it, to grip the hair, to grip the braiding hair. So I twist it, I roll it, and then I just wrap that other part. The other part is thinner, and then I just braid as usual. I separate it into three, and then I do a 3-strand braid as usual. I'm gonna show you one more time because this one went like quick. I did it in a quick one. I'm sorry, I'm just making so many mistakes. In the end, I just wrap it between my fingers and it's nice and flat. Yeah, so I separate my hair into a very small portion like that. I comb my hair and then I separate the hair. I put it in like that. So now it's gonna be like two, but one side is a lot. The braiding hair is a lot, so that a lot I'm just gonna like melt it with my hair, and then the other thin part, the other thin strand of braiding hair, I just use it to wrap the bells, wrap around, and then I just braid them. As after wrapping it, I separate it into 3 parts and then I just braid the usual way. So that's what I did with these braids. If you want a detailed tutorial on this, I will put it, just comment down below and I'll do it for you, my darlings. So yeah, so as I was telling you, I was inspired by Wakanda Forever, and since this time Wakanda Forever Wakanda 2 came out, so I just decided to post this video. Look at these beautiful braids. Oh my god, I love them. So I'm gonna take that puff. You can take any padding that you can get, and then I'm putting it in a stocking cap like that, and then I'm putting it at the middle of my hair, of my head like that. I just want to create like I wanted to lift up my updo. I want to lift it up, since these are like very thin small braids, so I need a lift up there, just like Shuri had. So I'm doing that mine. So I just figured that if I do this, I'm gonna get something like what she did. So I'm just collecting all the braids and I'm just gonna do upper bun, the top bun like that. So I'm gonna pick those ones also. I'm just collecting them together, as you can see, and then I'll leave some at the back, a little bit, some of the braids, few of them I'll leave them free without just putting them up in an updo. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna tie a knot, not a knot, I'm just gonna tie a bun. I'm tying a bun, as you can see. Yes. Remember, I left some few braids at the back so that to get that tail, I'm just gonna call it a tail, that Shuri had at the back. If you have seen Black Panther 1, I'm sure you know exactly what I'm doing here. You know exactly how Shuri had her hair. So I'm recreating Shuri's look from Wakanda Forever 1, as you can see. So then I just braided the few braids that I left behind at the back. I just braided them in 3-strand twist, all of them. So that's what I did. I'm doing it till the end, and then Shuri had like a colorful piece of ribbon at the end. I'm doing the same. I'm just using that. I took a leftover material from the cloth from my outfit, so I'm just gonna use that. I'm wrapping it around. I'm just trying to do like her, but it's not exactly like hers, but I just added some, or maybe I didn't have some of what she had, but I'm just recreating. You know, when you recreate, it doesn't have to come exactly as the original, but it should be an original look-alike. So she's still the original and I'm just a copy. I'm just a copier. I'm just copying. Comment down below if I nailed it, guys. Please tell me. And thank you so much for you who have taken your time to subscribe to my channel. I love you both so much. The family is growing and I'm so motivated. I'm so glad. So the braids that I put in an updo, I'm just braiding them into, I just separate few and then I just braid like a 3-strand twist, like you can see. All of them, I just separate them and then I braid like that so that I can have several tails. I'm just calling them tails, sweethearts. I don't know what else to call them. So I have those, and I have that one that I haven't braided. I'm just gonna like twist it and then wrap it around so that I can get that updo. I can get like a bun. Yeah, so that's it. I'm not even using bobby pins, so I'm crisscrossing that and I'm just gonna wrap them around just to create a bun, a braided bun. She had like a braided bun up, so that's how I made mine. If you're going to recreate this style also, that's exactly what you should do. After braiding those small tails, small braids out of braid, I just wrap them around and quickly, just like that, and then something nice comes out of it. We're not gonna end there. I am going to take that piece of colorful ribbon also. I took it from the outfit, the leftover material, and then I'm just using it to just crochet it around because she had like a colorful bun. Like her bun had like a colorful ribbon around it, so that's what I'm creating, sweethearts. So I'm just gonna go with it, and I'm just gonna go with it all around my bun, and you will see it's gonna give it like some color. It's gonna make it look alive, look colorful and more attractive. So yeah, and I'm so as you can see me now, I am so excited because I'm like, yay, it's coming through, it's coming through, it's coming through. I hope it comes like hers. Yeah, so comment down below how I did it. How did you like this? Which other character do you want me to do, like in any movie character that did like an African hair? You can tell me and I can recreate that. And this is my final look. I'm loving every bit of it. I'm loving the outfit. I'm loving everything. I tried everything and I added my own stuff, and this is me. I love you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a comment. Bye bye. See you on the next.